Hey y'all, Natalie Boucher here. Making this video for you because I heard that so many people in the Facebook group were talking about content and consistency being one of their main issues. So I wanted to share with you one of the tools that I use, and it's absolutely free, and it can really help those of you who don't even have the time to schedule. And let me put a disclaimer by that. Truly, everyone should have time to at least schedule some social media posts, but this is even easier than that. So let's kind of walk through what this is. So I want you to go to the website deliverit.com. It's DLVR.IT. So go there, create a free account. And what you're going to want to do is obviously connect whatever social media accounts you want to be updated. Now, there's a difference between creating content on your own and scheduling that out through like a hootsuite.com or something like that. This is simply curating content. And what that means is, I'll give you an example. I'm going to click on the content tab. Let's say that you are in real estate and you want to constantly share real estate information, but it's not actually content that you create. So we could look at some of these real estate resources. Just click on view. Okay, so that one looks like it's a broken link. Let's try this one. Let's try that. Oh, they don't want to cooperate with me today. Okay, Zillow's working for me fine. So anyhow, these are different resources where it's essentially going to post this information on whichever social media site you want it to go to. So I'll give you an example of my Twitter feed. Now you can hook this up to Twitter or to Facebook or to LinkedIn. I have it hooked up to, let's go here. I have it hooked up to my Twitter page and my LinkedIn. And these are the only two places that I want content to go to because I'm pretty regular with Facebook and Instagram. So I don't need that. But Twitter, for example, is a great resource, but I'm not using it on a regular basis. So if you look at my Twitter account, you'll see this is only one thing that I've tweeted, I think, in the last week. However, what it means to personalize your email messages, this has been automatically posted from Deliverit. Same thing with this here, 8 ways to make your social media channels more gender inclusive. I didn't create that. I didn't schedule it. I literally have it going from the feed that I choose from Deliverit. Same thing here, crusading for equal pay with Evernote by her side. So all of this stuff is information that is really relevant to my audience, but I'm not creating it. So simply going to create content is as simple as clicking on content. Let's say you're in fashion or any other industry. Just type that in, and then you're going to be able to see different feeds. And obviously, some of them are not going to work. So if they don't work, that just means maybe the website's not, working at the time. So just find one that does work. Bless you, sweetie pie. So all of these must be sites that are not, no longer working. Let's try Vogue. Okay, so this is a Tumblr site, so that's not working. Let's try Teen Vogue. Come on, people, show me something. Let's make this example work. All right. All right, so they are not cooperating with me today. Let's try another one. You guys probably hear my little baby in the background. Let's see. Let's do art. I mean, you guys are probably not in that industry, but I just want to see if any of these work. All right, so Colossal is apparently an art site. And if you wanted to curate this content, and as soon as it's available on the site, it would be available in your news feeds. So here's the deal. You want to make sure that it's a site that you pretty much trust. So I will give you examples of the ones that I trust. Like Constant Contact, I worked with them for years as a trainer. I pretty much vouch for their content. It's about marketing, email marketing, blogs, all kinds of things like that. That's right, sweetie. And their blogs are fantastic. Such great information. I trust them. And so I don't need to go through every single blog posts to know that these are good things. So I'll just read off some of them. How to share email results with your team. That's something that I would share. What's the best length for email newsletter? This is all stuff that I believe in and would share. And so all you do is you choose that, and then you make sure that you, oops, come on, sweetie pie. You make sure that you choose what you want to share, and then you connect it to your social media. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but you can choose to do that, and then your feed will be filled with content from another trusted resource site. And literally, once you set it, you don't have to do anything. Pretty freaking amazing. Okay, so enjoy that, and put that into play and let me know how that works for you. All right, see you guys in the next video.